Welcome back to my channel. So for today I have an Amazon home decor haul, I guess you can say. I'm going to be mentioning about 5 or 6 kind of decorative things that you can use around the house. So if you like this type of video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and just keep watching. Don't you lose sight of what you want? So number one. Okay, so number one is this pillow. I don't know if you guys have seen this pillow before, but I really like it. So it's obviously it's a cover. You already have to have obviously an insert pillow to put a pillow inside here, right? But I really like it. It's really cute. It's kind of boho, which is kind of a thing going on around lately. So this is really cute. The only bad thing about this one is that it took a little bit to get here. But I think there are options for Prime, but at the moment for some reason I didn't select that. But if you're into the whole boho thing, consider getting this pillow. Next item, another pillow. Yes, I have this thing with pillows. I love pillows, especially decorative pillows. Got this one because I was looking for pillows that had these little like tassel ball things at the edge, and most of the ones that I was looking to buy, they were kind of expensive. And this one I want to say was about, if I'm wrong, then the correct answer, the correct price, I'll write it down here somewhere. But I want to say this was like $15. I may be wrong for 2, or $20 for 2, maybe less. I don't know. I'm not too sure. This is also a cover, so I already had the insert to put in here, obviously. But I think it's like super cute. I usually partner. I use both of the pillows for the sofa. I have this one and then the other one. I feel like they make a very good contrast. So pick one of these up if you're into this style. Alright, so the third item, okay, so the next thing actually is this blanket. I want to say I got this for $20. I'm not too sure. I have had it for a while, so the only bad thing is that, do you guys see this? Like over time when I actually used it, like sometimes my foot would get stuck in between the little knit thingies, so that's why this happened. But if you literally just wanted just for decorative and not use it too much, this would be great. It's pretty big. It has like little tassels at the end. You see that? And I think that's super cute. I used to use it as a throw, but now I just put it in a little basket to decorate it because I bought something else that I liked a little bit better. This is super cute and I feel like tassel right now is very trendy. If you want to pick one up, go for it. Alright. The next item I want to talk about is a throw blanket that I first heard about it in Shay Whitney's YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys know her. She's awesome. I really like her. So she mentioned this throw blanket, and it's a gray fluffy pom-pom throw blanket, and it's so soft. Like, it's so soft. And if you like softness and if you like pom-poms, you gotta get this blanket. It's very nice. Okay, and then the last thing I want to mention is this. I got this, I think I used it for my one year anniversary with my husband. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that. How me and my husband celebrated our 1 year anniversary in our backyard. It was actually very cool, very romantic, at least I think. So I got these like dry wheat things, whatever they're called, and actually I love them. I know right now pampas grass is very popular, but it's kind of expensive, and I don't want to invest. No, especially just because our room is kind of tiny. These are pretty good. They're very neutral. So if you're into the boho thing, I suggest you get these. If you don't want to spend so much money on the pampas grass, right? I want to say I got 130 of them, or like 150 of them for about $20 or $15. So it's a good deal, and they come in prime too, so it's pretty good. Oh, and then just in case you're wondering, this, I got this at IKEA. I'm not too sure if they have them still. I went about 2 weeks ago to get a new desk, which is right there. And I didn't see it, but maybe they still have it, so you might want to go check. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if I was looking at myself, I apologize. It's really hard to look at the little lens. I try really hard to do it, but I'm just starting out, so it's kind of hard. I have to get used to it. But thank you so much for watching, and if you would like me to make more of these videos, please just let me know. I buy a lot of things from Amazon, and I always try to look for the cheaper things, just because, like I mentioned before, we don't have a home yet, and we're renting a room, and we kind of don't think it's very convenient for us to invest a lot of money into our stuff or furniture if we're gonna move out soon. But if you want me to make more of these videos, then go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what other kind of videos you would want me to do. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.